Hitler massacred 3 million Jews. Now, there's a 3 million drug addicts. There are. I'd be happy to slaughter them. At least, if Germany had Hitler, the Philippines would have. But
it's statements like this from President Rodrigo Duterte that, according to the group Human Rights Watch, is giving the police license to kill. From October 2016 to January this year, the group investigated 24 incidents of killings of alleged drug dealers and users. They involved 32 victims in Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Human Rights Watch said relatives, neighbors, and witnesses told them masked assailants barged into the homes of drug suspects without arrest warrants. The masked intruders then confronted the suspects and either shot them on the spot or dragged them outside, only for their lifeless bodies to turn up elsewhere. The report says virtually all the incidents were labeled as buy-bust anti-drug operations by the police, who said the victims were on a watch list of drug dealers and users. The police said they only killed the suspects in self-defense. But witnesses said the victims were not drug dealers and, at worst, were only occasional users who were willing to surrender. But the police killed them anyway and planted evidence against them afterwards, like guns and drug packets. The group says its investigation found the police responsible for extrajudicial executions or the deliberate killing by state forces or their agents of a person in custody. The group says President Duterte may be accused of instigating the police and vigilantes to commit murder, and for not stopping the killings that can be construed as an attack against the civilian population. Mr. Duterte and other officials may be liable for crimes against humanity. Human Rights Watch recommends the National Police call off the war on drugs, that the National Bureau of Investigation and the Ombudsman carry out investigations, and that Congress create laws to prevent such killings. The group calls on would-be donors to end all assistance to the National Police until the killings stop. It also calls on the United Nations Human Rights Council to investigate the killings to determine who's responsible and make them accountable. JC Gotinga, CNN Philippines.